What's up, guys? This is Lux Algo that you're seeing on my TradingView. I'm trying to do a quick video for you guys. These are the buy and sell indicators that comes with Lux Algo Premium. This is also the price action concepts that you're seeing here, that indicator, and then the oscillator right here. We're looking at the US Ethereum chart right now. This is a 1 hour chart. I've been loving Lux Algo for a while now, guys. I've been using it. It's helped me a lot with trades. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, Lux Algo's got something for you. Now, one of the cool things about the Lux Algo Premium is you'll have access to the Discord and the optibot here. So this is optibot 1 hour chart. This gives you the ability to have different sensitivities and ranges for each asset specifically to give you the most optimized settings for taking profits. So in this example, Ethereum, it says 26 sensitivity, 40 agility. You'll pop over to your TradingView and you'll double click on one of the indicators. So you can set that to 26, and then you can set your agility to the 40. So we're gonna go down here, click 40, hit okay. And again, we're on the 1 hour chart. What that's gonna do is it's gonna move your indicators in a more optimal position so that you can actually get the best data for you making those decisions on your trades. So like I said, I've been using Lux Algo for a long time. I really enjoy it. I also have another video that I'll link somewhere on the video here or in the description or the end card, so that you can get the best optimal settings for setting up your Lux Algo yourself. I've been using it again for crypto stocks. It's really a great thing. Indices, currencies, commodities. I love the Discord group, optimization, optibot, and there's a ton of other stuff. They're always updating it. They have good customer support, so I stand behind it. Go ahead and click the link in the description so you can get access to Lux Algo yourself. There also may be a sale going on right now depending on the time that you see this video, so make sure you look out for that. And I appreciate you being here. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would advise you to check out the next video. Be alpha.